Hello everyone, it is Susie and welcome back to the channel. I'm a little late getting my Your Creative Studio make video out, so I apologize for that. I'd planned on doing it on Tuesday, but it just didn't happen. So, what I made was something so fun, and I'm not going to do a craft with me on the journal part, but I'm going to send you over to Megs Journals with the video of the tutorial I watched for this. It is so fun. It is a beginner tutorial, and it's just a really fun idea. And so I will have that link to Megs Journals in the description box so you can go over and watch the video. So I've just used a lot of Your Creative Studio papers in this, and it is an accordion style journal. Now I could have went further on mine, but once you start embellishing, it's a little hard, you know, it can get a little big fast. So, like I said, I've used the Your Creative Studio, a lot of the papers this time. Here's some paper. Here's some paper. Here is like the little square pieces that I said would be good for collage. And then when you accordion it back, then you have the back side as well. So it's two-sided on your accordion fold here. And so like here's one of the envelopes from the box. And of course the paper here. Lots of papers used this time. This is a piece of the vellum paper that I used. Here is like a couple of the little pieces. Paper pieces that were in the pack, and here is a little washi butterfly, and of course this right here is from the pack. So really fun journal to make, and it's so easy to make this accordion fold. So easy. So be sure and go over and check out that video because you will love it. Here are the stamps that I promised I would stamp out for you. I love how they come out. They're always sharp and clear. But here are the little teacups. Love this little one right here. So there are the stamps, and I did do some stamping in here on that. So what I thought I would do is just embellish a couple of pages, and these are going to be really simple embellishments. If I was journaling this, I would do a lot of stapling in it as well. So, but I'm not going to staple on it, but I would, just because it's just a little fun. I will probably staple this on, but I thought I cut apart one of these little words. These are Tim Holtz, and I have actually took the thick backing off, so I don't like that much thickness in my thing. So, but what I thought I'd do is just use the Tim Holtz photographs as well, because I don't use them very often, and I love them. So I am going to staple this on, but I'm going to attach it first so that it's good and on there before I staple it. So I'll just attach a little bit of glue. I just wanted this to kind of go sideways on there. And of course it says today is full of possibilities, and I love that. And I did stitch around this photo. I stitched it in white and I didn't like it, so I went ahead and turned around and stitched it in some black. You just couldn't see it very well, so it is stitched with both colors. Okay, we're just going to attach this. Let's see. I'm going to put it about right there. And I think I'll have to use some Fabri-Tac on that picture there. Let's see if we can't get the Fabri-Tac here. Yes, I love these Tim Holtz little photos here. I absolutely love those. All right. So that's going to be this will actually have two covers, because you'll have your front cover here, and then this will also be a cover when you flip it to go the other way. So Alright. Let's see, I'll just leave that uncovered. I'll probably use that again. Alright, so there will be our little cover. And I did use some Tim Holtz rub-ons there. I just rubbed those on earlier, so. And then I'm going to, like I said, I'm just going to do a couple of pages here. I'm not going to do all of them, but I thought I had picked this up at a, I don't even remember where we were at. We were out thrifting somewhere, and I picked those up. But I thought this could be a little tuck spot. I'm going to attach the picture, but I just thought it would be a fun tuck spot. So I'm only going to actually, and I'm going to give it a little faux staples there to make it look like I stapled it on. So let's get, well, we better put her on first. We'll put this little picture on first. And everything, this is such a great little journal that you could use so many scraps up the way this is made. It's truly a fun little make. And of course I stamped my little part there to make the binding for the fold there. Because you're just using scraps. This was an old envelope right here that I used. I actually sprayed a little, is it linen, antique linen? Let's see, I'm trying to think of what that's called. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah. Yeah, antique linen is what I sprayed. Just some distress stain there. Okay, let's get this stuck on. Okay, and we're just going to do the two sides there, and that will give us a little tuck spot. And you could add you a little tags in there, or a little, little booklet. So anyway, this would be cute. But you could just tuck a couple of little tags in it. Like that would be fun. Okay, and we'll pull them out while they dry though. And then let's see. I'm not going to put anything here, but this would be fun because you could actually journal. You could write it out on some other paper even, or you can just like journal on the blank parts and add photos, whatever. There are just so many fun possibilities to this thing. So here I've got a couple of the little bear stamps, and I've used some of the washi out of the pack. And this is just, you can see my glue, which I didn't worry about. This is just a deli sheet that I used to attach those. And I think on this one, I'm just going to put a photo. I think that's just what it will be. But there's lots of journaling in this one, a lot of space that could be written on here. Okay. And we're just going to add it like so. And this is also one of the labels out of the kit there. Let's see. This side is a little busy already, but I think a photo down here might be cute. And maybe we want to attach a little word or something. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see if we can find us another little word here. see. Do like a seen and noted, but that's awful big. There's one. Just be true to you. We could do something like that. Or we could do it like this even. So I think I like the top of it right there better. So let's just take a little bit of the white off this. And I'm going to grab the edges of this as well. Okay. Alright, so we're just going to do that. Alright. And this would be just a little more interesting if I went in and stitched in it, but I don't always want to do something with stitching. That way you can kind of, I know a lot of you don't even stitch, don't sew, don't have a machine, and so, alright, so that'll be that. And then for the back, which will end up being the cover to the next few pages here, I decided to take this, I had these, I found these, I don't even remember now, it's some kind of sale. I know I was really happy when I found them because I didn't even know they had made them. Oh, I think I found them at Joann's in St. Louis. That's where I found those. And I didn't even know that they made those, so I'm thinking something like that, and I may take a word and go sideways on this one. So we could do like, well, in possibility. That would be cute. Something like that, I think, would be a fun cover. Go. Okay, I think that looks good right there, and then we will stick this little guy on. There we go. I like that, just like that. And I had cut a few letters or numbers out of that right there, so that was a nice little scrap piece there. So anyway, that will be the cover of the beginning of the next one. So I did have this picture laid out, but I think it's too wide for any of it, yeah. But anyway, guys, that is the simple little make. And like I said, once you start getting more of your embellishment in, this just gets, you know, kind of fatter and fatter. So you don't want to go too full on your accordion middle, you know, unless you just plan on lightly embellishing it. So, but anyway, guys, that is the Your Creative Studio project this time around. And thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.